Fellow Zimbabweans, I am an old soldier, retired Lieutenant General Winston Skokima Braga. I speak with the dust of Chimonyo and the blood of the liberation struggle still on my boots. Sarabina mashuko kudato panapa na General Winston Skokima Braga no bo subscribe ole on the bell icon. TV na mwana wambo donyera chiti. I have buried comrades. I have seen empires of men rise and crumble under the weight of their own arrogance. And today, I tell you plainly, Mnangagwa is digging his own grave. He thinks the constitution is a piece of paper he can twist like a goat's tail. 2 more years. For what? So he can finish looting what little remains. So he can silence the last voices of reason within ZANU-PF. So he can hand over power to his chosen criminal Tagure, while the people starve and the veterans die forgotten. He does not trust the people to choose their leader freely in 2028. That is not leadership, that is fear dressed in a suit. That is a man who has forgotten that the same people who carried him to power can also withdraw their support. The same soldiers who protected him can also remember their oath to the nation, not to an individual. Look at what is happening. Generals who fought for this country are dying, and no one asks why. Heroes Acre is becoming a monument to silence. The economy is in ruins. Youth are fleeing, yet he wants more time. More time for what? To dig deeper. I stood at Heroes Acre not as a stranger to the ground. I have buried comrades before, as the soldiers must, but I will not stand by and watch the revolution we sacrificed for being buried alive by one man's greedy for longevity. Nobody Mugabe made that mistake. He built much and then destroyed it in service of his own throne. Now history repeats. Mnangagwa, hear me clearly. You are digging your own political grave. Do mashukana yetu kwa panapa na Mr. Skokima Braga. But sema fungra enyi mtu kulipa mzuri bichiriko ichi. When I comment section medu, subscribe or like, want to turn on the bell icon.